by the 38 of Matt Benedetto.
Whoa.
Walker had his hands full right there.
Flag him in.
Joe Gibbs Racing Toyota's working together on the bottom now. Ryan Truex getting a push from Joe Graff Jr.
This is the most dominant I have seen the bottom lane in quite some time at Daytona, Jeff. Even when they line up top, other than that short little stint, the bottom has been able to recover and find some momentum.
Sorry, down for the lead.
24 to go. Everybody knows it's...
Oh, wrecking in the background goes the 2. The 27, the 31, the 38's in it. There's another car sliding to the bottom. Oh, Jones is in it.
And a lot of steel. It's messed up here.
Oh, a 00 and Jesse Love.
Pretty sure I saw him in this wreck.
Cole Custer also, yeah, we're on board with him.
Sammy Smith, he's on the cutoff line. Oh, the 9's fucking destroyed. He hit the wall. Or got hit. I think he just slid up into the wall. The way the damage looks.
A lot of sparks coming out from behind that.
That 38, the back clip of that car is destroyed.
These cars running that middle line.
I'll say, oh, Rex Love.
He's got the window net down, about ready to climb out of that car.
You're gonna see right here, kind of.
Not RCR line.
A little bit of movement.
I don't know.
He goes around, catches Jeff Burton.
The poor 2.
A bunch of cars to the bottom. 31.
Yeah, the 31 hit the wall hard there.
Contact with the right rear and the right front.
Ooh, SVG made it through. Good.
There you have it. Basically, Jeff Burton offset to the right rear quarter of the 9 barely, and then the 8. Then the 8 gets taken 3 wide, which ends up being 4 wide. That was a great replay.
On board with Jesse Love too. Yeah, he just gets.
Across the racetrack.
He doesn't hit the wall that hard. Never mind. Yeah, that wheel is not straight.
The hits just keep coming.
Yeah, Rex seemed to last forever.
That was Cole Custer that he pulled right up behind.
Yeah, remember, this is about 190 miles per hour.
He hit the front of the car pretty hard, and the back of the car decently hard. Soft for Daytona standards, but I'd say it's hard for like mostly any other track. I mean, almost every other track you're not doing 190.
You're right here. You see the 27. He's trying to get to the outside.
Michigan, I guess.
The 8's top 3 wide with the 81.
Besides
just not
super
enough
speed.
room for the 8 to come up.
Well, actually no, because every single track that's above 2 miles is considered a super speedway. So Pocono is technically super speedway. It's a weird fucking looking super speedway, but okay. 6-turn super speedway.
What's happening is the 27 and the 81 are splitting the 8.
And Michigan super speedway.
Comes up to the right, catches the front bumper of the 27, and that's where the wreck starts.
Unless it's obviously road course, because in that case, Watkins Line is a fucking super speedway.
See contact with the wall, but did anybody else hit him?
Creed got hit in the door a little bit by the 38, looked like.
Great job right there.
Sheldon Creed, wow.
Could have been worse.
And I'm not so sure the 00 ends up getting any damage here. I think he just ends up having to stop.
Are you dumb?
He got into the side of the 38.
Are you dumb? His fucking car's destroyed.
Riding along with Jeff.
Yeah, you're gonna see here that 00 is destroyed.
Everybody knows, right? We're inside 25 to go. They're all looking.
Oh, you know, you won't see here. It's the other
2 and 3 wide.
Jesse Love.
You have to almost create a different line to try to move through. Heavy damage on the 8 right front, not turning. Morning.
Rick Adam Wall has asked Sammy Smith to shut the car off as they try to fix the right front, but it's going to be a healthy repair here as damage control for the 8 team. They were in a position where they were right at the cut line with Ryan Sieg.
RIP his playoffs.
1 point